You gonna be nice to her? We're hanging out with Daddy out here as he's working, and we figure we can use these out here. You gonna roll over there?
A bunch of these boxes are just full of mini bikes.
Are we going at Walmart?
I don't know. Go get in your seat, bud. Why are you getting in this way? You're on the right side. Oh my gosh, guys, it's been such a crazy day. I came out to the garage just to work on the mini bike and finally get the rocks out of the gas tank on the other one. And I get that all done, all cleaned up, I changed the oil, I did all this stuff to it, and then we can't find the key. So there's no key. We still haven't found it, and it's just a cheapo, like you can probably buy the key to like a lawnmower or something, but still that's the only key we have, and you guys can't find it. You gotta find it, bud. But anyway, just cleaning up some other stuff in the garage. I was trying to get rid of this old TV I have, and now we gotta go out and do some errands real quick before the day ends. And we already had dinner. Mommy made a beautiful dinner. You guys are just crazy, huh? I know they don't seem crazy when you guys see them, but it just adds up, you know? They seem very docile right now, but they are crazy.
Very crazy.
Yeah. There you go. Talk to the peeps.
It's just been one of those days where, I mean, we took them to the park this morning. They rode there
for a long time, too.
For a long time.
Almost over an hour and a half.
Yeah, but they're just, everybody, even Aria, you hear her? She hates the car seat. But anyway, let's go. We still have a few things to do, and we just gotta deal with it. You look so pretty, Vera.
Daddy, what's the song should we sing? This song,
Nifa. You want to bring a chair over here? Okay. Excuse me.
Here, guys, look.
You play so pretty here.
Here, okay, thanks, bud.
Is that a doggy? Yeah. Taking pictures? You taking pictures?
Vera, you were in trouble. You kept going into the parking lot. Yeah, that's not good. What were you saying to me? Were you saying that... What were we saying? Go? Go? Say it again. Say it again, Chica. Go. Yeah, Vera was just going out in the parking lot. We were outside with the other nursery kids. She's kind of had a rough day. Crying and stuff. Now I've been kind of watching her. You want some water? Here, there's water right there.
Oh.
Let's get some water here. Let's get some water. Oh. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. I didn't know. I thought I had it pressed all the way. Okay. Is that better? I'm trying to use the camera to watch. Oh, I gotta go to the bathroom. Okay. Alright, let's go. Okay. Here. Class, bud. Was it good?
Yeah.
This is mommy's class right here. Aria's class.
Aria's class.
Derek, what'd you learn? Hmm?
Let's go.
Don't rock her, Dee. Don't rock her. Derek, don't rock her.
Yes. We had fun today. Okay, so that is how they turned out. I made these because Cameron's mom made them for us when we were over there in California. And I had made them here and there for the last 2 years, but I hadn't for a while, for maybe like 6 months. And so I just thought I gotta make them again because they're yummy.
They are good.
Aria. Hi! You silly. Eat your noodles, okay, bud? Are you enjoying it? Some lentils?
Mommy, I want some toast.
Some toast? Okay. Can you show us how you roll over? Show us. Yeah. I'm kind of making you roll over right here, right now. Ooh. Funny girl. By the way, she does roll back over too, so she can actually like keep going. That's so crazy. Today I went to put on a dress on her for church. It didn't fit anymore. It was a 3-month dress. It did not fit. It was way too tight. She could barely move in it. I'm talking to the viewers.
Oh, I'm like over here nodding. Yeah.
Oh. Anyway, it's so sad. Like, I'm gonna have to go through her clothes, and then I didn't have time to look through any of the. Sorry, that's really loud. I didn't have. And she's loud. Goodness. I didn't have time to look through her bigger clothes before church. I just had that ready and planned for her to wear, you know, but she didn't fit in it. So we're gonna have to put some of those smaller clothes away, huh? Yeah, because you're growing, girl. He's been doing this for the past 5 minutes.
Oh, I was waiting to see how long.
And he was like scraping it with a knife. It was...
It needs more, but I got most of it off.
Thank you. It looks so pretty. Yes. Clean dishes. I'll tell you what, this girl is a daddy's girl. Huh? And she's got some beat up toes. You're so beautiful, Chiquita. And here's another beauty. No, 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 no. No, don't hit it. No, don't hit it.
Valley. He makes some wooden swords. Oh my gosh, they look realistic. Okay, everybody, I'm going to go check the backyard for scorpions.
Okay.
This is how you find
honey.
it.
I'm just terrified. I can't.
I'm going to shut this.
Yeah. He's coming in here saying he was gonna prank me.
I was going to prank you and say, oh my gosh, it hurts. But I can't hold a straight face.
Yeah, you can't. So?
Nothing.
Oh.
All I found was
Yay.
pieces of diaper that Piston has chewed up in his poop.
And they glow in that?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, yeah, that's what
There's
Piston
nothing
does, you
out there,
guys.
though. I mean, there's lots of things that little glow, but these scorpions glow like a green glow. These were like white glows, and everything that glowed I kicked. I didn't check like underneath all the wood.
Okay.
That's the only spot that. I mean, that's not to say that tomorrow night that something
Yeah.
else could be back here, but
I know.
yeah.
Okay. We're okay now. So that's it for today's vlog. Thank you for watching, and just remember that starting this week you're gonna start seeing vlogs Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays instead of Monday, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. So, yep. See you next time.
Hey,
Oh.
and if you stick around for the after show, you get a dance.
You're silly.